What's going on? It's Chris, and in this course breakdown, we're going to be looking at Miss Excel, also known as Kat Norton, who has built a course business teaching 29,000 people how to better use Excel. She also does the whole Microsoft suite of products, as well as Google products like Google Sheets. Kat's really impressive. She's done a $2 million a year course business. We're going to show you the top things we see that are awesome that you can implement and embody in your course creator journey. The first success point I'd like to highlight is that Kat has a great niche. Sometimes we don't realize how big a certain niche market is, and Excel is everywhere. It's in office computers, personal computers, everywhere. And so this is a great niche. I remember many years back doing research on Udemy and noticing that there was an Excel course on there, which is a top selling course. So Miss Excel has definitely found how to fish in the river of demand where there's an insanely huge amount of people in a particular niche who have also a lot of problems. Success point number 2 is that Miss Excel has a viral personal brand. Her name is Kat. She goes by the Chief Excel Officer. And as I understand it, during the pandemic, she started making TikTok videos about Excel. There weren't any on there, and she started replacing her income with her courses once she started making those in 2 months of what she was making at her day job. And you can see on her TikTok channel that she has almost 1 million followers. And over here on Instagram, she has 1.1 million followers. And you can also just tell by the way Kat rolls. She's fun, she's engaging, she's taking, what could be perceived as a boring topic and just turning it into fun. It reminds me of LifterLMS user KPC, who does a similar thing with the active campaign software. The next success point about Kat is her positioning. I absolutely love this statement. Let's make Excel the solution, not the problem. If you ever worked with spreadsheets and tried to create formulas and pivot tables and link things together and make charts, it can get kind of crazy, and it's really, honestly, really painful. And I've always admired people that knew how to really drive a spreadsheet and knew all the formulas or how to find them and do all the stuff. And Kat has really just nailed this pain point. So there's a transformation here of going from the software that's painful to use, makes your job difficult, to like a solution to empower you to be awesome at the computer, working with data and spreadsheets. So she really nailed that. She took the pain point and she helps her customers transform into people that are empowered, that makes their jobs more fun, potentially get raises, do better at their work in less time. Success point number 4 is that Kat has done a great job with her packaging and pricing. So what you can see here is that she has tons of individual courses, but what she also has are these bundles. So you can get the Microsoft Office suite, the Excel bundle, and she even branched out and went into Google Sheets. So you're either a Google Sheets user or an Excel user. She started with Excel, but smartly broadened over there, created smart bundles and categories, and even did the whole Microsoft suite with things like PowerPoint and Word as well. And one of the awesome things I saw about Kat is she even added a service. She calls it the Excel panic button. So this is a monthly continuity income for getting 24/7 support by email for $19 or with a video session for $59. So this is what I call surrounding your customer with support. So even though she's in the course business or the information product business, she knew her people needed more help. So she created a service to fulfill that. So great job on the product packaging and pricing, kind of the a la carte and bundle model with the upsell continuity into the 24/7 support. And the 5th success point I'd like to highlight is that Miss Excel expanded into group sales. So for organizations, and you can get group discount pricing here. And That's awesome. So instead of just selling one-to-one, she can capture a whole company with a team of people using Excel and get mass enrollment. She's probably giving a discount for the group buyers, but she's getting a lot of economies of scale by going B2B in that way. And just a pro tip for Kat, I'm not sure how she's doing her group sales, but if she used something like the LifterLMS groups add-on for delivering her training, this would be really great for the Excel use case, so managers could see detailed reporting of who has finished which course or gotten which accreditation if she does certification and things like that. So there's like an advanced kind of management layer in groups. So props to Kat for Miss Excel. Great job. I love the story. I love how this started with some social media and she went into a mega niche. I've always said that the best software training is never made by the software company itself. So good on Kat for being the leader of Excel education with Miss Excel. And if you need help with Excel, go check out Miss Excel. That's miss-excel.com. She also does Google Sheets. Great job, Kat.